Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to block international calls on iPhone. And the best method will be calling your service provider and request them to block all the international outgoing or incoming calls. But if you wanna use silence unknown callers, go to your settings and then scroll down till you see apps and search for phone and open this and scroll down till you see silence unknown caller. It is self, and scroll a bit till you see silence unknown callers. Toggle on this, and this should be, and you should be able to ignore that and toggle on and toggle on this, and you should be ignore the unknown number. And I hope this video helped you out, and as I said, the best option is call your service provider and request them to block all the international outgoing and incoming calls. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.